Hey everyone, welcome to World Heritage Journey. Today we're at Trang An Landscape Complex in Vietnam. So this is a large limestone karst landscape in the north of Vietnam, not too dissimilar to Ha Long Bay. In fact, it's sometimes referred to as Ha Long Bay on land. Despite the name, the best way to see this place is by boat, and I've heard it's really spectacular, so let's check it out. Trang An is actually a mixed site, listed for both cultural and natural reasons, but it's really the landscape that shines here. It's just magical, with small rivers and streams meandering through rice fields, and of course the astonishing karst mountains. Now, the ones here aren't as dramatic as those in Ha Long Bay, but they're still very, very impressive. Covered in heavy jungle foliage, you can spot monkeys and other animals frolicking up in the canopy as you glide past in a rowboat. One of the advantages of Trang An is that the landscape is dotted with plenty of little things to see, like temples, pagodas, caves, and underground rivers too. Some of the underground rivers here are seriously long. I think the longest we saw was over 300 meters. There's some impressive temples too, and this is where the cultural heritage comes in. The most important one is apparently the Tran Temple, which dates back some 700 years. We also loved seeing the dolines, areas of the mountain that have collapsed and then filled with rainwater. Several of the temples here are located inside these dolines, and there's nothing quite like emerging from a cave into a self-contained lake at the bottom of a doline.